Hi, welcome to Jeannie Sweets. My name's Janelle and today we're going to be making thicker than a Snicker cookies. These cookies are not only addictive, but they are so easy to make. So let's get started. What you're going to be needing is a 1.25 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 stick or 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And last but not least, you're gonna need 10 fun-sized Snicker bars. Okay, so now that we got the ingredients straight, let's get started. What you're gonna start on doing is adding all of your dry ingredients into a smaller size bowl. So you're just gonna add your flour, your cornstarch, make sure we get all that out. You're gonna add your salt and your baking soda. So what I like to do is just whisk it around, make sure it's well incorporated. No one wants a salty or a lumpy cookie. So once that's done, we'll set this aside. We'll get our butter out. We're gonna put the full stick of butter into the mixer and we're going to add the sugars. This is the brown sugar and the white sugar. We're gonna set this up and we're gonna cream it. So while that's creaming, we're going to chop up our Snickers. Honestly, I mean, you don't have to use a fun-size Snickers, but I just like to use them because I feel like there's more chocolate in them. But you could use 2 regular-sized Snicker bars. It's up to you. I just think this is a little bit easier. So I'm just doing medium-sized chops all the way down, just like this. And we are looking good. So now that this is creamed, we're going to add 1 egg, and we're going to add our vanilla extract. There we are. It looks like it's well incorporated now, so we're going to slowly add our flour. Make sure this is on a low speed. No one wants flour flopping into your face, so I'm going to slowly add this. Make sure that gets well incorporated, and then we'll add some more. It already smells so good. Okay. It's perfect right here. Make sure you don't over mix this dough. The last thing you want is a hard cookie. So once all the flour is gone and it's well incorporated, just stop what you're doing and add the best part, the Snickers. So I'm gonna add all these in. Try to make everything into there. There we go. And we're gonna do a quick, about 5 to 6 second mix. And we're good. So let's get ready to get these cookies in the oven. Now that I'm cleaned up, I have my dough ready and my cookie sheets. I'm using silicone mats, but you can definitely use parchment paper or even aluminum foil as long as you put some cooking spray on there so the cookies don't stick. I have my clean hands and I'm going to roll my dough into some delicious cookies. Okay, so I'm doing about a palm size right here, about this size. And I'm gonna set them about 1 inch to 1.5 inches apart from each other because these are actually thick cookies, not really flat. Get it in the name, thicker than a Snicker. So I'm gonna roll these. It's gonna make about 10 cookies. And I'm so excited for you to try these because they're amazing. So I have my cookies all ready to be put in the oven. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees and I'm gonna put these in for 10 minutes or until they're golden brown on top. Let's do it. Okay, 10 minutes has passed and feast your eyes on the most delicious, thicker than a Snicker cookie you will ever try. They're not only gooey and delicious, but are so addictive. I'm gonna have to bring 2. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time on Jeannie Sweets. Bye.